Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, New Britain, local and long distance movers near me. We define a long distance move as a move that covers a distance of more than 50 miles across state lines. 3 Movers offers interstate and interstate moves. We make use of specially constructed trucks that accommodate, secure, and transport heavy and fragile items conveniently. Our movers are trained and they handle your belongings with care. Moving locally within a busy city like New Britain, Connecticut requires experience and expertise. 3 Movers offers fast and satisfactory local moves. We have dedicated time to study all the routes of the city and move your belongings efficiently. Our local moves are also the cheapest in New Britain, Connecticut. We also offer exceptional services and affordable rates. Our moving rate per hour is around $30 to $40. We work with your budget to give you top-of-the-line services. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our New Britain moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.